okay. We'll just have fun with it. I'm not sure of anything that's going on around here. We might have a ham friend visiting from where we used to live here in New Mexico. In fact, he was in one of our classes and got his tech and he got his generals both there, so we were happy about that. So he finally found where we are right now, and he says he's coming down to visit. So today sometime, so we'll kind of be watching out for him and his wife, so that'll be great. We haven't seen him for a long time since we haven't lived there in a long time, so that's really good news to us. Nothing else, Margaret. Won't be long. I got to take the little doggy out for his walk, so I'll listen for a little while longer, and if CJ can hear me, hello to CJ. And this is KC7KPG. Over.
Okay, Judy. Well, have a great day, and we'll probably keep the net going for just a few more minutes. Let's go back to CJ, K7CJS. Okay, CJ, have a great day, have a great week, be safe, and we'll talk to you later. This is AE7MB, net control for this morning's MinnoNet. Is there anyone else for check-in? Okay, let's go back to Judy, KC7KPG.
One last time, Margaret. My little dog is going to wiggle in my lap right now. He wants to get out there and play a little ball for us while he can. And we usually take him out for lunch. And he has some other little doggy friends here that he always plays with. And they really put on the playground. All the donkeys here get in the playground. And the donkeys will have so much fun all together. And keep on these dishes and some of the stuff that they do. So, it's a real pleasure to have our little dog with us. So, going to go ahead and dive for it next.
Okay, Judy, have a good week. Be safe, and we'll talk to you later. This is AE7MB closing the MinnoNet at 9:55 Pacific Time. We'd like to thank all who checked in. Have a great week. Be safe, and we'll talk to you later. This is Alpha Echo 7, Mike Bravo, clear.